Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we are making pizza and it's going to be so tasty. You can put as any toppings you want. We're gonna put pineapple, olive, cheese, and pepperonis. You can do it without salsa or with salsa. So first you have the dough and you just roll it really good. And after it comes out very big, you can put it on a tray and put salsa toppings and yeah. After you're done making the dough, you want to put oil and put it all around, even the outsides, and if you want, you could put on the crust or not on the crust. Then after, when it's all so smooth on the oil, smooth on there, you want to put the pizza sauce on. And you want to swirl around with a tiny bit amount, and if you need more, just get it from the can. So put lots of amount and spread it evenly until you get it like this. Then sprinkle lots of cheese on the pizza until the right amount that you like it to be. After you got all the cheese on, you want to put pepperoni. And when you're done, you can put more pepperoni or you can do the next step. After you got all the pepperoni, you want to put some onions. Then you put the pineapples. If you like pineapples, comment down below. And if you don't like pineapples, don't put it on. And then just some black oils. If you want, you can put orange oils. Because some of my family don't like it, I'm just gonna put it in a small amount of space. If you don't like olives, then you don't need to put anything. If you like other types of olives, then you can do that. Eat too. You can put the different types of olives. This is how it should look after it's done baking. You can use the pizza cutter any way you want. Next time, think twice about making a pizza. And tune in for another video.